Hello guys, let's take a look today on this Vimtag Mini G3 cam. Let's just unbox it. So here we go. Let's open it here. Let's see what is inside. So some paperwork, a quick installation guide. Okay. And here are some boxes. First one and a second one. Okay. Let's just start opening then. First one here. Looks like it's the camera itself. It is. So here we go. Inside of a plastic bag, I have the Vimtag Mini G3 camera. Here we go. It comes with the logo. Here in the center, there's the lens, a microphone here, and a light, probably for night vision. Okay, you can take a look at the menu later. And here, a cable, so you can connect the camera. And here, the base of the camera, you have here a hole for a screw, so you can fix the camera somewhere. And here on the bottom, we can see a reset button. And also a slot for micro SD card. Okay, so you need to just open here, and you can insert your micro SD card to record everything on the camera itself. So pretty good. I have the base, you can put the camera somewhere, and here also have a speaker. So basically the camera can talk to you because it has our speaker, which means you talk to the camera and somebody can hear from the speaker, right? And here there's the microphone, somebody close to the camera talk to you, you can hear from the microphone. And what else you have here? Let's just take a look at this other box. Probably the cable. Yes, here we go. It's the cable for the camera, USB-C one side, and the other one, probably USB. Here we go, USB, okay? So you can power the camera because it also comes with the power adapter, which is good. Okay, small one. So basically, it's going to connect here, and then you can power your camera. Okay, because here you have a cable. You can connect just like that. And you're ready to go. Okay, you can connect your camera to power and install and do the setup.